Welcome back, queens and kings, and thank you guys so much for watching. In today's video, I have 3 Dollar Tree high-end DIYs of home decor. If you all would like to see how I create them, please continue to watch. All right, queens and kings, so for the first high-end affordable DIY here, I have some mirror frames that I got from the Dollar Tree, of course. I think I have at least 16 here. 4 of them have mirrors in it and the rest does not, because I actually use the mirrors out of these frames somewhere else on another DIY. So as you guys can see, they are all black at this moment, so I'm going to take them outside and remove the mirror and paint them gold. And this is basically how they look, and I'm using Walmart Rust-Oleum Gold spray paint. Here I have already laid out my format, how I want them, what I'm going to do, something simple, easy, and affordable. So as you guys can see, like I said, I already got it laid out, but I'm going to go back and get some Popsicle Sticks, which of course came from the Dollar Tree. Duh, this will not be a Dollar Tree DIY. But anywho, I'm basically going to place the Popsicle Sticks behind or on the frames, so therefore it can give me the support that I want. I was going to try to flip it over and put the popsicles behind the frameless frames, but I was like, no, I'm opting out to do this because I want something to support the mirror. And with these mirror here, they are very fragile, so you could not put too much pressure on them or anything like that, or they will crack on you. So get some backup just in case if you move a little too fast. But anywho, I laid my popsicles out how I want them, and now I'm just basically gluing them down. I have skipped through this some, but all the popsicles are glued to the frames.
You just tell me. I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me.
All right, royalties. This is basically how this turned out, and it is simple and it looks so high-end because of what? The gold spray paint. Gold spray paint will make anything look luxury. Now moving on to the second DIY. Here I have some plaster that I got from Walmart, and these shower curtains. These are, I think, from Walmart, but you get some from the Dollar Tree too as well. But I'm using the Dollar Tree blocks also. So I have used this plaster more than once before on my other high-end modern look. So anywho, I'm basically just gonna glue 6 blocks together to give me a base to support the sculptures that I'm about to make.
Closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit.
All right, so now we have finished the base. Now if you're going to do this more than one, you're going to need to do the base more than once too as well. So now here I'm taking my shower rings, and I'm just going to take all this apart, and basically I'm just going to connect these together like rings. Pretty much just easy and simple, nothing major, nothing to give you a headache or anything like that. Just easy peasy. But I am sure gonna do 3 different ones. So you see that I did a set of 3. I'm gonna do this one, I think, a set of 5, and I think the other one going to be a set of 4 if I'm not mistaken. That's 12, right? How many? Y'all know, y'all do the math. I ain't got time to be trying to count. But anywho.
In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time.
All right, so now we have 5, we have 4, and then we have 3. And I love it. So this here, I'm going to show you guys how to connect these. Now try to lay these as straight as possible, because mine came out a little bit crooked though, but these are shower rings though. So basically where the shower ring connects together, that's where you're going to place the hot glue, and you're going to place one of the rings directly on that. Once again, try to make it as straight as possible if you can. and just gonna apply a little pressure. And I'm using Gorilla glue sticks because I get a lot of you guys ask me what type of glue stick that I use, and that's the only one I really do live by because it's so strong and it does last longer than any other type of glue stick.
Glad that's what you believe. All my ladies who got
All right, so moving along to the plaster here. This is a ready to use type plaster, so that means they have the right amount of water in it and everything. All you gotta do is just open it up and use it on whatever you're gonna use it on. And like I said once before, I did use this on a high-end modern look that I did before, and I fell in love with it. So therefore I'm going to use it again just to cover the bases, so therefore I can actually take them outside and spray paint them. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. So before I spray paint it, I gotta let them dry, and basically I let them dry it overnight, and this is how they look. I didn't do the bottom because I still needed to be some type of flat base or whatever. And this is all 3 of them. Now I'm about to show you all the black spray paint that I got from Walmart for 98 cents. Simple and affordable, and I'm gonna take it outside now and spray paint it black. So it is basically how it looks. This is how they look, and these are the rings, and they are gorgeous. Now, so this is how they're gonna stand up. Simple, nothing major to do. I'm just gonna place some hot glue under the bottom of where the rings meet with the base, and I'm just gonna hold it until they actually dry, and then I'm gonna place a small amount of hot glue where the ring connects together. You guys will see in a moment.
you're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Bye-bye. 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 You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start.
All right, queens and kings, so here is my 3-piece golden sculptures, and I love the way these came out, even though they're a little crooked from the napkin rings though, but I still love the way that they came out. And how I camouflaged the glue, I just painted it black wherever the glue was at, and whatever gold at, I painted gold. So I just love the way these came out, and these are just simple, gorgeous, and affordable. What you guys think? Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoying this video, and share it. So moving on to the last and final DIY. You guys have seen these all over Instagram and everything. These are what, the 3 diamond mirrors. I'm not sure what they call them. I think that's what they call them, diamonds or whatever. But I'm going to use the plant holders that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can find those in the flowers and plant department, and these mirrors here. All I'm going to do is take the mirrors out and spray paint them gold, as you guys can see with the frame anyway, and pop the mirror back in, and this is how it look, all cute and gorgeous and simple. So I'm flipping it over. Now this here, one of the backings came off the little part where you can hang it up on the wall, which I'm kind of glad that it did, so I can show you guys just in case if you run into this problem. All we're going to do is, as you guys can see, my chains are gold, and I spray painted them gold. So I don't know, did I show you guys? But all I'm going to do is basically attach that on there because they have that little clip there. And now I'm just going to glue that back down, put a lot of glue so therefore it can stay on, and you don't have to worry about it falling off the wall. You know, just in case if you run into this problem, it's easy fix, nothing major. Okay, queen. Okay, king. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you guys. So here, basically, I'm showing you guys the other end of the chain, where I'm gonna use these upholstery needles, buttons or whatever. I'm gonna use these to hang it up on the wall to give me that diamond, that little shining, or that little high-end look. Now you can use a screw or whatever. I would say a shorter screw than this here, so therefore you don't have to put a big hole in your wall if you're in like me, or if you're not. And you just to dazzle it up, you could have glued like one of these knobs on it, you know, put some type of bling or whatever you want on it. Is up to you. But anyways, queens and kings, this is how they look. As you guys can see, I did do 6. These will be in my daughter's room. I love the way that these came out, just simple and affordable. So I hope you queens and kings enjoy these 3 simple and affordable high-end looks, all using Dollar Tree items. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. And you guys know what to do. Continue to be royal. Bye-bye. Love you guys.